Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable spot cleaning on Dreame Mova E20. To enable spot cleaning, which will clean the area around the robot, which will be 1.5 by 1.5 meters, just place the robot in the area you want to spot clean. So place it anywhere where you want to spot clean, then press and hold on the home button for 3 seconds. Then release the button and it will start the spot cleaning in this 1.5 by 1.5 meters area. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.